So I was wondering when I was downstairs, the wire colors matched when I was downstairs, you know, red to red, green to green, yellow to yellow, stuff like that. But then coming up here, it's yellow to black, blue to black, and we have orange to brown. Now downstairs, coming from the second, this is on the third floor. The third floor is right here. This residence is on the second floor. This is what's poking through the ceiling going to the air handler downstairs. But when I popped off the top here, this is what I found here. They had this cabling here with different wire colors, and that really throws off, you know, a lot of your younger guys who come in. You're just gonna have to get used to having wrong colored wires that are different. Maybe when you go out to the unit or when you go inside, it'll throw you off a little bit when you don't have a lot of experience and waste some of your time. And sometimes it could even make you test the wrong wire, and you think you got the right voltage or wrong voltage when you don't, because somebody did a switcheroo on you somewhere in the wall or up on the roof. And that's one of these little situations right here. So okay, that's all, just a little curiosity. At least sometime in the future, and we're right by the ocean here. We're just 200 or 300 yards right off the front of the ocean. So, you know, a little corrosion. Let's see, what do we got? Oh yeah, it's all green up in there. We got green up in there. Oh yeah, we got corrosion city. Okay, I'm gonna take these apart and clean them. These are all rotted out. They're turning green and corroding. Yep. All right, I'm gonna do that. And you can see the rust through right here. So what happens is right where they weld the receiver dryer, they corrode, and it'll get a pinhole. And if you ever came out to units that are rusting right there, that's the cause of it. We're right by the ocean. As you can see right there, there's the bay, San Francisco. Same, you ever see the pinholes happen in the copper? Well, we have rust flakes developing right here, and little tiny pinholes happen. And that's another thing. When you're right by the ocean, don't leave the copper out like that.